Hello, just want to show you this new figure I got. It's what?
Voltes V. Voltes 5.
Voltes 5 from
The Robot Spirits.
the Robot Spirits. Let's open it here. So this is the box. Front, side, back. Wow, lots of weapons. Sword. What's this?
It's like snake thing?
It's belt, whip, Voltes bazooka, and I forgot the name. This is Voltes 5 from GMA Legacy. So let's open it here. So I open the box from the right. So I use this deli cutter because it's safe. It can't hurt you because it moves back when you remove your finger. So let's open it here with 2 fingers para hindi masira. Ayan o. Okay, and then pull it up. Oh, video. Teka lang, ayan. Wow, put the box here. So this is what's inside. So we have the belt, whip. Wow, lots of parts. So we have 6 hands, 7, 8 accessories. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The sword, oh, big sword. So let's open the tray. Yay! What's inside? Let's take out Voltes 5. Wow! Ooh. Looks cool. Wow! It looks cool, oh. Wow! The head can move. Yes. Down, up. Arms can move up. Move up. Wow! Galing, oh.
Leg.
Yeah.
Leg.
And this can move, oh. I think this can move. Parang I just saw. It's moving up.
Wait.
Then we twist it here. You can twist. Twist everywhere. And then you can fall like that. You can go like discharging, like Super Saiyan. And it can move this. Wow. The back hindi. Side hindi. Front lang. It can kick to the front. Oh! Tumasik. Tanggal. So, be careful. Put it back. Yan. Hindi naman siya nasira. Tanggal lang. So, yan. Kick to the side. Knees. Wow. So detailed. This is the fit. So, action figure siya. Hindi siya nag-bolt out. Mas na tamad kasi ako magbuo ng mga model kit pinagbebenta ko. So ito, yan. Dami niyang articulation na ayos, oh. Okay, so let's try ito nare-remove yata to kasi we will put this. Paano remove to? How do we remove this? Press. So I don't know how to remove. Maybe there's
Secret button.
ayun, may instructions. Ano natin? There's
Secret
instructions.
button.
Oh, show. Instructions. So, hindi natin masira. Check natin. This is the instructions in Japanese.
What? This is
Japanese talaga. Ayan, oh. So you push up.
Push up.
And then you pull back.
Pull back.
So let's push up daw.
Push up.
Push up.
Push up.
Why it's not working?
Try to do the middle.
Maybe I should watch. Gumagalaw din siya dito sa likod. Maybe I watch a video na lang. Kasi I don't know how to remove. Baka masira ko. I don't want to ruin it. So, I'll just put it back. Okay? So, that's Voltes 5. Yay! Thank you. Bye-bye.